How to claim Temu coupons in app. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Temu solutions. If your coupon claim option is not showing, but you keep seeing 90% off banners, this is what you need to know. First, tap on the 90% off banner shown on the Temu home screen. These banners are interactive and often act as the claim button. Second, after tapping the banner, scroll down or complete the required step, such as selecting an item or adding it to your cart. Some coupons activate only after this step. Third, check your My Coupons section. Many banner-based coupons are auto-claimed and saved there without showing a manual claim button. Fourth, if nothing appears, close the Temu app completely and reopen it, then tap the banner again. Fifth, make sure your Temu app is updated to the latest version, because outdated apps may hide the claim option. Pro tip: banner coupons are often limited time or user specific, so they won't always show a separate claim button. That's it. Now you know why the coupon claim option isn't showing and how to activate 90% off banner coupons. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment solved below.